Wattpad is often seen as a platform where writers share stories for free, but many authors are now turning it into a real source of income. What started as a simple storytelling app has evolved into a powerful launchpad for writers, helping them build audiences, land publishing deals, and generate multiple income streams. The question is, can you actually make money on Wattpad, and if so, how? The answer is yes, but it requires strategy, consistency, and understanding how to turn readers into opportunities. In this video, we'll break down how Wattpad works, how authors monetize their stories, and the smartest ways to turn your writing into income. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on writing, online income, and creative side hustles. Imagine writing stories you enjoy and getting paid for them. Thousands of writers are already doing it. Some earn through Wattpad's own programs, while others use it to sell books, launch careers, and build loyal fan bases. The key is understanding that Wattpad isn't just about posting stories, it's about building an audience that can generate income in different ways. Building an audience first. The first step to making money on Wattpad is building readers. Monetization comes after you have an engaged audience. Posting consistently helps grow your visibility. Writers who upload chapters regularly tend to gain more followers. Interaction also matters. Replying to comments and engaging with readers builds loyalty. A loyal audience is more likely to support you financially later. Wattpad Paid Stories Program. One of the direct ways to earn is through Wattpad's Paid Stories program. Selected writers can place certain chapters behind a paywall. Readers purchase coins to unlock content. This allows authors to earn revenue from their stories. However, not everyone is accepted immediately. Wattpad typically selects writers who already have strong engagement. This is why building an audience first is essential. Wattpad Stars Program. The Wattpad Stars program is another opportunity. This program connects popular writers with brand deals, partnerships, and promotional opportunities. Writers in this program may receive paid collaborations. Brands look for engaged audiences, so storytelling and consistent posting help increase your chances. Turning Wattpad stories into published books. Many authors use Wattpad as a testing ground. If a story gains traction, it can be turned into a published book. Some writers self-publish on platforms and use Wattpad readers as their first buyers. Others receive traditional publishing offers. Wattpad exposure increases credibility. A successful story can lead to long-term income from book sales. Self-publishing your stories. You don't need a traditional publisher to make money. Many writers publish their completed stories as ebooks. Wattpad readers who enjoyed free chapters often purchase the full version. This strategy works well because the audience is already interested. Self-publishing gives authors control over pricing and royalties. Patreon and membership support. Some writers use membership platforms to monetize their audience. They offer early chapters, exclusive content, or bonus scenes. Readers who want more content subscribe monthly. This creates recurring income. Even a small number of dedicated fans can generate steady earnings. Affiliate marketing for authors. Writers can also use affiliate links. For example, recommending writing tools, books, or resources. When readers purchase through these links, the author earns commission. This works best when recommendations align with your niche. For example, fantasy writers might recommend world-building guides. Selling writing services. Wattpad exposure can lead to freelance opportunities. Some writers offer editing, ghostwriting, or coaching services. Readers who like your style may hire you. This turns your writing talent into additional income. Over time, your reputation grows, leading to more opportunities. Merchandise and branding. Popular stories can inspire merchandise. Authors create bookmarks, prints, or themed items. Fans enjoy supporting their favorite stories. This works best for writers with strong branding. Merchandise adds another revenue stream. Choosing the right genre. Choosing the right genre can significantly impact your growth and earning potential on Wattpad. Some genres naturally attract larger audiences, which increases visibility and monetization opportunities. Romance, Fantasy, young adult, and mystery stories tend to perform very well because readers actively search for them. Understanding your audience's preferences helps you tailor content and increases the likelihood that readers will support paid chapters, buy books, or join memberships. A strong genre strategy makes it easier to grow faster and monetize effectively. Engaging with your readers. Engagement is one of the most important factors in building a profitable Wattpad presence. When readers leave comments, ask questions, or react to your story, responding to them creates a sense of connection. This interaction builds loyalty. Loyal readers are more likely to follow you, share your work, and support paid content. You can also ask readers for feedback on plot twists, character development, or future ideas. This involvement makes them feel part of the journey. Another strategy is posting announcements about new chapters or upcoming projects. Engaged readers often become your biggest promoters, recommending your stories to others. Over time, strong engagement turns casual readers into dedicated fans. These fans are more willing to buy books, support memberships, or contribute to crowdfunding campaigns, making engagement a powerful monetization tool. Long-term income potential. Wattpad income often grows gradually rather than instantly. At first, you may focus on building reads and followers without earning much. However, as your audience increases, opportunities expand. Older stories continue attracting new readers, creating long-term value. This compounding effect means your efforts today can generate income months or even years later. Many writers start part-time and eventually turn writing into a consistent side income. Some even transition into full-time careers. The key is patience and consistency. As your portfolio grows, your earning potential increases significantly, turning Wattpad into a long-term creative business rather than just a hobby. Expanding beyond Wattpad. Another important strategy for maximizing income is expanding beyond Wattpad. While Wattpad helps you build an audience, other platforms can increase monetization. For example, you can create social media accounts to promote your stories. Sharing quotes, character art, or updates attracts new readers. You can also create a newsletter to communicate directly with fans. Some authors turn their stories into audiobooks, podcasts, or narrated videos. These formats reach different audiences and create additional income streams. Expanding your brand helps reduce reliance on one platform. It also strengthens your credibility as an author. The more places your audience can find you, the more opportunities you have to monetize. This multi-platform approach increases visibility and long-term profitability. Making money as an author on Wattpad is possible, but it requires patience and strategy. Build an audience, engage with readers, and explore multiple income streams. Paid stories, self-publishing, memberships, and services can all generate revenue. Over time, your writing can evolve from a hobby into a real income source. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with aspiring writers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.